In monsoon session for Mumbaikars, potholes are not the new thing, or it's not the new concept. All the Mumbaikars know that whenever it rains in Mumbai, however, the BMC claims that they have done the road maintenance, but still pothole appears. And right now, I'll show you the patch of potholes which is in Bellard Estate area. See. You can, if you could see in the visuals, this is the patch of the potholes which is just outside the NCB and ED office in Ballard Estate area. So if I talk about this particular area, Ballard Estate, but I'll show you that how cars are basically avoiding these potholes and how it becomes very difficult for them. See, now the cars, so you can see that literally the car is shaking when they go into that potholes. So it becomes very difficult. See, now this taxi is coming, and see. So this is the issue which all the Mumbaikars usually face, and they have the problem. We'll go across to this cab driver. आप मुझे बताइए भैया, ये जो गड्ढे आपको दिख रहे हैं, कितनी तकलीफ होती है गड्ढों की वजह से? रास्ते में गड्ढे होते हैं, निकलो माँ।
बहुत तकलीफ होती है।
लेकिन अभी आप मुझे बताइए, ऐसे गड्ढे मुंबई भर में आपको हर जगह पे दिखाई दे रहे हैं?
हाँ।
और उससे आपको कोई तकलीफ होती है? पीठ दुखती है, ऐसा कुछ होता है? पीठ में दर्द होता है?
दर्द होता है।
हाँ।
दर्द होता है।
कितने साल से आप ऐसे गड्ढे देखते हैं मुंबई में?
ये तो थोड़ा बारिश गिरा तो भी वो गड्ढे गिरते दिखते ही है। थोड़ा भी बारिश गिरा तो भी बड़े बड़े गड्ढे होते हैं।
बिल्कुल। So that's what we heard from the taxi driver. He basically, he is a regular who can tell us that. You can see, I'll again show the visuals. See, these are the visuals that how the car is getting shake when they go past this pothole. So if we talk about the potholes, BMC every time claims that they have maintained the Mumbai roads, and not only BMC but other agencies also claims that they have properly done the maintenance work of the road, and there are no potholes, or they, Mumbaikars will not find the potholes. If you remember that till last year, BMC used to claim that they have filled up the potholes, they have done everything, but the road condition, if you could see, it's the same. This is the example that this particular area is regarded as the office area. As I told you that right now I'm standing outside NCB office and ED office, but here you have offices of political parties, private offices are also there. So this is an office area. So a lot of people every day come here and they face this kind of thing. What exactly has happened? See, you can see the material which they have used, it has come out. See, if I also kick here, the material is basically coming out. So this kind of shoddy work the BMC or the concerned authorities have done, and they claim that the Mumbai roads are the safest roads Mumbai have got, the clean roads, and there are no potholes. So in this pandemic, we hardly see that the BMC had concentrated on the roads, but BMC was claiming that during the pandemic also the maintenance work of road was happening. But here is a great example of it, that the road maintenance work has not been done properly, which has caused these potholes. In Mumbai, we have seen that whenever, as the taxi driver also told us, that whenever it rains heavily, the roads in Mumbai start getting the potholes, because the work or the material which they use is not of that good. Mumbai BMC is another body. BMC is one of such bodies basically which has got a different budget to fill up the potholes, and for the potholes they have got a different budget. Many times you have seen they have used different technology. They have got this pothole to fill these potholes. They have got a different material from abroad, from everywhere. But you can see the result is the same. So far, this is only the one road which I am showing. But in Mumbai there are n number of roads which have developed such potholes, and whatever the BMC will claim, or whatever the BMC claims, or even for that matter state government, but still many people have lost their lives in such potholes, and again and again every year this kind of potholes are emerging on Mumbai roads after Mumbai gets some amount of rain. When they will repair it, when Mumbai will get smooth road, no one knows. BMC and other concerned authorities only claim that they have done the 100% work, but result is in front of you. Mayuresh Ganpati for Mirror Now from Mumbai.